Hi folks, another tutorial as people like to know, can we do with a TB6560, here that's the 3-axis board, a spindle control. So I would say yes we can. Here's a brick from, let's change the focus here, come on. And here is a brick from the internet. It's €4 or $5 US. Here it has the manual potentiometer here. It's just power in and spindle out, and it has a control. So it's in here, as you see. There's only one cable. The cable runs, oh, let's see if we can get it, to standard PWM to analog system. I can add the drawing if you like. It's just a NAND gate here, 4011. Go that way. Here it's goes in minus ground and PWM goes in here, and here we have the 12 volt. And the extra ground we don't need, and the 0 to 10 out. As you can read here, I hope it's better maybe here, it only has 5 volt. So I added here another potentiometer here, a precise one, so I can tear down the voltage. And where do I get the voltage from? The voltage here comes from the TB. Here there's a 5 volt regulator and a 12 volt regulator. I used the 5 volt regulator. It's all over here. You can find a pin, or as I have it unplugged here, I soldered it from behind. So, and let's start it up. The machine is fully cabled. Here, power supply, 12 volt, and as you see, as you know, here, let's get it the other way. I like to use Linux. Let's start it up here and start up the machine. Here it goes. Now as the GUI here axis is already here, so let's power the machine. Now only if you have a state of the power port or the network connection, doesn't mean. Please power the machine. Now you will hear and see it runs. So let's get started. E-stop. Now get the motors on power and reference the machine. There are switches on here. Hopefully you can see them. Here's the switchboard, connectors, and now we have a reference here. You see here, it's referenced. Linux CNC is running, so now I go to MDI mode and say run at 8000 RPM. Now we have here our slider. Here, I hope you can hear or see. You heard the click? This is Mach 3, can't do this. Linux CNC will pull out the power if you go to 0%. So, and let's say also here I can go up to 20,000. Here you can, here behind, here's a voltage regulator that comes from the main unit, main power unit, to 24 volt down. The spindle here, it's a Proxon, takes only 20 volt, 18. So I have a double action Here I can go up with this potentiometer here, as you may like, to certain, as we put in only 5 volt. We don't have 5 volt down here. So I can go up with the voltage behind here from 36 down to whatever you need to output on the main here on those pins. Let's see it here. On the motor blocks here, whatever voltage the motor takes. So this is a TB6560 RPM control, fully working with all the power. So if you have any question, join us on the IRC channel. It's an internet relay chat. It's free. You don't need to get an account or whatever. Just get a client on whatever system you are running and join. First attach to Freenode server and then join us on Linux CNC channel. You will find it. See you next time. If you have any question, please ask on the channel here or in the... You see, I added a ruler. Here, some people say, oh, you have a big machine. It's only 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. It's a standard education machine. The machine cost itself here, you see it's only a trapezial spindle. It's the full cost, as it stays here, it's 280 euros. Homemade, as I said. Yeah, you only need a drill, 60 millimeter and 28 here, and a little piece of aluminium blank, and then you can get a nice machine. See you next time. Bye.